Today I'm going to talk about a perfume oil, also known as attar. This types of fragrance is much more familiar in Muslim community because we use it for kind of spiritual vibe. All right. So what is a perfume oil? Perfume oil is just another fragrance without any alcohol involved in it. All right. It's just a pure oil. For example, this one is 30 ml bottle, purely oil. So we have some misconception about attar. Many people use this on clothes. Actually, no. Attar should be directly applied on skin because this is oil. When you have the body heat with this oil, it it spread the more smell and it lasts longer. But if you put on your clothes, it will last long, but you will not get that projection. Alright, because in clothes there is no heat. So I will suggest to get the best out of any attar, apply directly on your clothes. So directly on your body. Or how do you can use it? You can use either on your neck or you can just put a little bit on your palm and rub it. Rub it and after that you just wipe on your beard. That's the best you can get. And you can use this after your wudu, getting prepared, getting dressed up, going just moment before going out of the house. All right, that time you use it, then you will get the best out of it. All right, don't use on your clothes, just use on your skin, get the best out of it. And attar, there's many types of attar. For example, this one is very cozy, warm, and I feel like if it's in winter season, you just did your wudu with a very cold water, then you apply this perfume. Trust me, it will give you a different kind of warmness, different kind of vibe. It will set your mood that is spiritual. All right. So when you put this, it will set your mood. All right. As simple as that. But this one is a little bit sweet, have a little bit of freshness in it. But this one you can use it for like a hot weather. Like this one you can use any weather, hot, cold, doesn't matter. But this one I also will suggest either night or winter season because both of them is kind of cozy, warm, and wood. All right, and both of it has a kind of, if you know Bohor, or Bohor is a kind of wood that Middle Eastern people they burn in their house for house fragrance. So both of them has that kind of vibe. All right. So fragrance is this perfume oil is only not only for Muslim community. It's just another fragrance. Anybody can use it. It's alcohol free. It's a very much different than typical perfume out there. All right. So I think this is a very good investment for smelling nice. All right. I think you should give it a try. There's tons of different types of attar in the market. I think you should give it a try if you haven't yet.